Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID credentials and that two-factor authentication is active. This keeps the session secure. Open Chrome or another modern browser on your Android device and set it to request the desktop site. Once done, navigate to Icloud. You need the desktop layout to access apps like Mail and Contacts. Make sure you have your trusted device nearby for the verification code. This prevents lockouts while you sign in. After signing in and trusting the device, you'll see the full iCloud web interface. Use the Photos app to view and download images, Contacts to export vCard files, and Notes to copy content into Android apps. If you need Mail, tap the Mail icon. If the page behaves oddly, refresh or toggle desktop/mobile view. For bulk transfers, export vCard or zip downloads, then import into Google Contacts or Drive. This method moves data cleanly between ecosystems. Finish by downloading any exported contacts, calendars, or photos and importing them into your preferred Android services. For example, upload vCard to Google Contacts or Photos to Google Photos. Once synced, sign out of iCloud on the browser and clear the cache if you used a public device. If you encounter errors, try clearing cookies, forcing desktop mode again, or using another browser. One key tip: if two-factor codes don't arrive, check your trusted device settings and network connectivity first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.